I've got an invitation for you to join me in the party of Wales, Plaid Cymru, because we're about to elect a new leader. And over coming months, there will be an opportunity for every party member to be involved in that election campaign. In Plaid, every member votes. And from now until the 26th of January, there's an opportunity for those who have been members of Plaid Cymru in the past who want to rejoin, or those who are going to join us for the first time, to be involved in this exciting period. And when we elect a new leader, he or she will be leading the party, not just through the coming months in the Assembly, but to be the next First Minister of Wales. And you can be part of this at the time when Wales needs a new vision, and Plaid Cymru is the party that can give it. So join me, join Plaid today.